Hey y'all, if you're thinking about creating a Tripwire funnel to grow your email list and generate sales at the same time, in this video I'll show you how to set your first funnel in WordPress for free. To get started, log into your WordPress dashboard, and on the right, hover over Add New. Search for Hurry Timer. And it should say Install Now. Once you click Install Now, click Activate. And once you click Activate, you should see a Hurry Timer on the side here. Then hover over and add campaign. And from here, title will be product name and Tripwire. Under settings, you go under schedule and then choose evergreen. And for minutes, we're going to use 10 minutes. For restart when expired, choose none. And then go under actions tab. We're going to pick redirect to. And this is where you're going to send your subscribers after the Tripwire expires. So it could be your thank you page, resources page, or your full complete sales page or shop page. Under appearance, here's where we're going to design your timer to match your brand. For general, we're going to keep it block and center. You can edit this to change the color, change the size. For the label, we're going to hide days and hide hours, since this is going to be 10 minutes only, so we're just going to keep it 10 minutes. And then the seconds. You can also change the color and change the size. You can change this to uppercase or lowercase. Under headline, this is going to be, grab this for whatever price you sell it for. You can change the size, the spacing, and the color here. And then under call to action, as save $10 or save 50%. For the URL, this is going to be your link to the cart or checkout with the discount applied if possible. You'll open the link in a new tab. You can change the text size, text color, radius, spacing, etc. And once you're done with that, click Publish. You could copy this short code right here. This is going to be on your sales page. If you have a sales page set up already, you can copy the short code and add it to there. If not, you could create one from scratch. If you're using Elementor, you could click Edit with Elementor. Head over here, click on the folder to pick from one of the pre-made designs that they have set up for you already. And when you're all set, you click here to pick a block and choose short code. And here's where you add your short code here. And whichever way you create your sales page, you would take the link for your Tripwire page. And this is going to be the link that you add to your opt-in form settings. I'm using Mellow Light. ConvertKit might have the same option also. From the settings, you would go to under custom success page and scroll down, and then this is where you add your link to your Tripwire offer. Now, next time someone subscribes to your opt-in, they'll be redirected to your Tripwire offer page, and this is what's going to look like after you add your brand colors. And once this page expires, they'll be sent to this page. And once you're done, make sure to test the funnel out by signing up as a subscriber. If you're being redirected every time you go to your Tripwire offer page, you head over back to settings, to your campaign, and reset the countdown for only me. And once you click reset, you'll be able to see what your page will look like after you set it up. Some pro tips for you: make sure to create a pin graphic or a graphic for your social media and start promoting your freebie or your blog post. And make sure you have your email sequence set up for your new subscribers, one sequence for people who purchased your product and one for people who didn't purchase. If you're not sure what to write in your sequence, there's a resource below that you could use. There's 104 email templates, so you know what to write to your email list every week. And it also includes sales email scripts so you can use for your funnels. And don't forget to add this opt-in link to your landing page. You can watch this video here and create your own Linktree page in WordPress. And that's it for your funnel. And don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful. Leave a comment below if you have any questions. And thanks so much for watching.